Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. A lot of earnings, fag and end of the earnings season, but a lot of them are reacting as well to earnings that they reported post-market hours yesterday or during the day today. This is the Midcap Spotlight segment. Vaishta will focus on all those stocks today. Vaishta.
Hi Sonal, thanks for that. Well, you're right. Actually, all the stocks that I'm going to be talking about have been in the red today. The first is Gujarat Alkalis. Very weak set of numbers coming in. Revenues though were stable, but operating margins have come in at 20% versus 33.7%. So a dip on that. The next is Team Lease. The total headcount addition is at 20% year on year, which is a growth, though is the lowest in the past 5 quarters. The EBITDA margins have also dipped to 1.62% versus 2.24%. And the last one is ITD Cementation. Weak margins have impacted Q2 of FY23 performance. The margins have come in at 5.8% versus 6.2%. The order book is low at 21,700 crores, but this includes an order win of 7,100 crores in the first half of FY23. So some weak numbers for all the 3 stocks.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Just to talk a little bit more about Team Lease, which is a staffing company. The stock price has collapsed 15%. As Vahishta was pointing out, revenue growth at 28.5% this year compares with an over 30% growth that we've seen in the last 4 quarters. And generalized headcount addition has seen a bit of a slowdown. And in specialized staffing, IT has come down. The company indicated that IT staffing headcount is down 9% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The IT staffing revenue has fallen 3% on a quarter-on-quarter basis and is just up close to about 5%. Remember, IT hiring has been a big driver for companies even like InfoEdge's Naukri business, and IT hiring has slowed down. It's a much smaller percentage of the contribution for a company like Team Lease, but the fact that we've seen a seminal decline in the IT hiring, that is telling. IT staffing headcount down 9% for Team Lease on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So a big knock seen on Team Lease right now. Here's what we'll do. Let's get to LT Foods, because this is a CNBC TV18 news break which is confirmed. LT Foods has issued shares up to 390 crore rupees to SALIC International Investment. Vivek is here with the details.
Well, that's right. So LT Foods is in focus. On October 27th, we had indicated that the company was looking at fundraising plans. We had indicated that certain Middle East, PE funds were looking at it. And along expected lines, Saudi Arabia and livestock investment, this is SALIC Investment, is the company that is now looking to invest money in the company. Now, the route that they're using is the preferential allotment route, and the company would be issuing 2.7 crore shares, and the rate is at a significant premium to the current market price. 142.23 rupees a share is the rate at which the investment will come in. Along with it, the promoters also would be selling close to 1.33% stake. So at the end of it, they would end up owning slightly over 9.5% stake in the company at the end of this fundraising activity. Along with that, they've also gone ahead and signed a supply arrangement with SALIC, and this is for a period of almost 10 years. So some positive news flow coming in as far as LT Foods is concerned. The long-awaited fundraise is something that has been finalized in today's board meeting.
Thank you very much for that. With that, we're out of time on Midcap Radar. From the entire team, thank you for watching Mutual Fund Corner when we return.